out here.
Look at all those water chickens.
Those are ducks, Bobby. Those are ducks. You're not a zoologist, it's okay.
It's true.
Neither am I though, but I knew they were ducks, but don't worry about it.
Dude, check out that guy over there.
Is he on fire?
It looks like it. That's pretty rad.
You guys want to give it a shot?
Think it's easy?
Let's do this.
But if you close your eyes,
Guys, what's going on? I'm Bobby.
Megan.
Hi, I'm Spazz.
So, Spazz, what are we doing today?
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to fire spin.
Very cool. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this well over a decade now.
Oh wow.
What got you into playing with fire?
I've always been in the performing arts ever since I was younger, and then I started getting into dancing and performing when I was about 16, and then just kind of more and more progressed into it. I felt the passion, and that's where I was at.
Very cool.
That's awesome. How easy is it to be on fire?
To be on fire, you don't want to be on fire, unfortunately. At some degree, it is a very dangerous type of performance, so you want to be very careful and always make sure that you have the right precautions. There's going to be certain basic concepts. You want to go over your top knuckle, catch underneath. You want to bring that back up. Go over your back knuckle. Top knuckle, back knuckle. So one hand's going down, one hand's coming back up and pulling. Down, up pattern. There you go. Look, guys, professionals already. Alright. So now that you guys got that down, try the behind the back pattern. Alright, so you're gonna start out here like this. You're gonna go up over the back of your head. And you're gonna catch up here. You're gonna bring it down, spin back around, and you're gonna catch down at the bottom. Go up, catch, around.
Well, I already burned myself 17 times.
So this one they call it the Buddha prayer. So you're coming up, and then your hand will come down, and then this hand will come up. Then from the back, this one will come down, catch, this one will come back up.
Just like that.
I'm in like Jedi training in the forest. So it's like
Ow.
here.
I'm gonna
Go
catch
up.
on fire.
And then once it gets to here,
Dude, this is rough. I gotta remember not to get overzealous.
I'm gonna try to do some content.
Megan's probably gonna beat me because she was Rey in Star Wars.
I didn't get the part, I only auditioned.
I can't. Hold on, let's see. I can't. That's weird.
How?
Like, if this is on fire.
Then the other one is behind the back.
He like does it all fluid.
I know, huh? That's rad. He does it so well.
It's gonna come up this way. Bend your back down, catch it on the other side.
Oh!
You gotta find that balance point.
You gotta bend over more. Or arch your back. What? You gotta bend over more. Look how much he's bent over. Look at
Bobby, I feel like you're objectifying me right now.
I am not.
He's objectifying me.
And one last one before I'll get you guys feeling
I didn't
comfortable.
get any of these.
Is the shoulder turn. Okay? You'll throw it over this shoulder through the bat and catch over on the other side.
Can you replay that in slow-mo?
Let me try.
For over 10 years now.
Did I get it?
You did. You nailed it. You nailed it.
Bobby throws that thing at me one more time. Hey, almost.
Almost.
Nope.
Oh,
You did? Did you get
I'm
it?
not sure. I caught it.
Alright. So hand over hand. Once again. You go over the top knuckle. And over the bottom.
Can people make a living being a... So what is this profession called?
This would be fire performing artist.
A fire performing artist.
You know, I guess if you were to go into like performances like Cirque du Soleil, Lucien Dacier and things of that sort, some of the bigger Vegas acts and things of that sort. You know, this is more for just a side thing. I do it because it's a passion of mine. So.
Who are some of the people that are like the big names in the industry that do this?
Here in Salt Lake, I would say Clayton Allred. He's an all-time favorite of mine. He's my mentor, and he actually was the first person that taught me a lot about this. My buddy Joe Warcott, also as well. My buddy Jed, he's one of the other founders that kind of taught me here in Salt Lake. My buddy Phoenix, and also as well my buddy Jason Johnson.
Did you really audition for Ray?
I did.
Show us what you did. Show us your audition with that staff.
It was actually weird lines about apples, and in the audition script her name was Rachel, because they're clever.
Before we go ahead and wrap everything up, let's go ahead and have you guys do a little endurance practice. Have you guys do some basic technique, but before that, let me show you guys something cool.
Whoa. That's warm.
Want to give it a try?
Who wants to play first?
Okay, we got time.
What's our time at so far? Is that what he's at? Can't make it, John.
So I gotta cut my arms off just to beat him. This is literally so painful.
Alright, you're done.
What time is it?
2:34.
I'm going. I'm only gonna beat you, Bobby. I'm gonna slaughter you.
Oh my god.
Just kidding. My arms are really tired. All right, blow me up like a birthday cake.
Okay.
Pro tip number 1: don't wear polyester clothing and do not wear loose-fitting clothing, because you can catch yourself on fire.
Guys, pro tip number 2, please don't try this at home. Try it at a friend's house. Go to your friend's house, don't do this at home.
Pro tip number 3, always make sure that you have a safety with you when you're performing, and always make sure that you're doing it correctly. All right, Bobby, well, great job, but it looks like Megan put the heat on you on this one.
Ooh.
She was on fire for sure, so.
Even though I'm hotter than she is, she did come out on top this time.
And I didn't have to take my shirt off.
She didn't have to take her shirt off.
Thank you so much for teaching us. I never thought that I would be able to do that and not have a panic attack.
Well, you guys did great. Thank you guys so much for having me on the show.
Sweet. Thank you for having us.
If you guys want to see more videos, like, comment, and share with your friends.
Alright guys, if you'd like to see more about Think It's Easy, go ahead and click over onto this button on the right. And if you guys want to see more episodes, go ahead and click onto the left. Have a great day.
What's wrong?
There's bugs everywhere.
What kind of bugs?
Gnats.
They're not bugging me at all. I was like, you more boy by these out. You more boy by these out. You more boy by these out.